Welcome back to the unique cat tutorial. In this video we are going to talking about linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern in Solidworks. Now it is a very useful command in 2D or 3D sketch. Okay, before that, if you are visiting this channel for first time, so I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so you can get latest notification about this channel. So let's start. First of all, you have to select here a plane, then you have to make here a sketch. Okay, now in this both section you have to see that the linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern here in above side. So let's see first of all linear sketch pattern. Okay, for that we have to sketch here a rectangle. Okay, now I'm taking here a rectangle. Okay, just take like this, and you have to make this rectangular number of times, like 5 times or 6 times. You just have to select this sketch pattern, and it will pattern your rectangle in this form. Here you have to select number of lines, line 1, line 3, or line 4, or line 5. Okay, here you just have to select the lines, and in this is the pattern, this rectangular in x direction. So it is a default, so I have to make this in this form. So I have to take this rectangle. Okay, now we have to increase this pattern here in this side, so you can get the number of patterns like 3 or 4, and this is the x-axis, and here you can add the distance between two patterns. Okay, now first of all I have to give here dimension, so I'm selecting a smart dimension and giving here 100 its length and 10 its width. Okay, now so I have to make patterns. Okay, so I'm just save this and go to this linear sketch pattern here in upper side, and just selecting this all the lines which are present here, so it will be print pattern that shape. Okay, here this is the x-axis, so it will be print about this. So I have to make a 90-degree perpendicular to this x-axis, so it will be in y-axis now. Okay, so I have to increase this distance. I am taking here 10 mm, 12 mm. Okay, now so it will be different. Okay, and I have to increase here number of patterns like 5. Okay, now here I am taking 20 mm, so you can see it clearly, or you can visible. Okay, now just save this, and here you can add the difference between these two patterns here. Okay, now let's save this. So you can see here that this distance between these two lines is 20 now. Okay, here you can add a number of patterns like 5, 6, anything, and here you can in below side in direction 2 you can make in direction 2 only. Okay, so here this is for only direction 2, this section, and this downward section is entities to pattern in last side. Okay, here you can see the entities you want to pattern. Here you have to select and just write this, so it will be pattern this. So likewise you can pattern any number of uh, sections or sketch. Okay, so let's see our next point, which is circular sketch pattern in our next video. Okay, so we see here this linear sketch pattern. Now we are going for the circular sketch pattern. So first of all I have to select this circle here. So I have to make here a circle and give it a dimension, or you have to select here origin, and origin I am taking this circle out of this origin, because the in circular sketch pattern it will be take the center of this circular sketch pattern always origin. So it will be take origin if I take this circle on origin, but I have when the circle is out of this origin, so how to take this? So I am taking this circle out of this origin. Okay, now just draw here a center line like this, and after that you have to give it this dimension to this circle. Okay, I forgot to this give to this dimension. Okay, now I have to make here a teeth on this circular sketch. So I'm taking here a just selecting this line and this line and this line. Okay, now I have to make this two lines about this axis symmetric. So select this line and this center line about which you are to symmetric, and just select here in right side symmetric. Okay, after that I have to give it dimension. Okay, so but I have to make this equal, so I am just selecting to this two line and equal, make it equal. Now increase this length of this line and go to this circle. Okay, now it will be fit on this circle. Now I have to give dimension here as 70 mm, so its height, and its width as 55, or you can say 60 mm. Okay, just give it dimension. Okay, now I have to pattern this teeth in six different areas on this circle. Okay, so go to this circular sketch pattern. Okay, select this and give it here entities. Okay, 1 2 3, but here is a problem. It will be automatically or defaultly select this center point, so I have to make this center point of this circle to this circle. So here you just have to see and make it this clear section. Okay, first of all select here, delete this. Okay, now just select this center of this circle. Okay, like this you can make number of pattern here, and here in left side you can make angle or number of patterns in left side. Okay, so this is the origin and this is the center of the circle. Defaultly it will be select the origin, so you have to select this center of the circle. Here you can increase the number of entities, and here you can give the angle in which you want to pattern this. Okay, 6 number of patterns you want to print, and here you can add the entities. Okay, so here you have to select the center point of this. So okay, so in this way you can make the patterns in circular form. You just have to take care of this center point and number of patterns. Okay, so uh, this is the end of this session. So please like, comment and share this video to more, and see you next video. So tata, bye bye.